Your next sock supplier starts here. We don't just produce socks, we bring your vision to life. From bold fashion to technical function, we design socks that stand out and perform. Whether you're a brand, retailer, or startup, we tailor every pair to your needs. Our in-house design team tracks global trends, creating styles your customers will love. Choose from 1,000 plus patterns, colors, and materials, or send us your custom idea. We offer full ODM, private labeling, and packaging customization. Behind the scenes, state-of-the-art knitting machines and automated lines. Strict quality checks at every step ensure your brand's reputation stays solid. Need small MOQ? Fast delivery? We've got you covered. Trusted by international clients across North America, Europe, and Asia. We've helped hundreds of brands scale. Yours could be next. Eco-friendly yarns, sporty performance, stylish fashion. Whatever your market, we deliver. Let's co-create socks that your customers will never forget. Your brand, our craftsmanship,